Good afternoon, all. Myself, Dr. Uma Sinha. Today, I'm going to present on the topic COVID-19 and its impact on the environment. So, in this paper, we will discuss the environmental impacts of the COVID-19 and the methodology we had used the secondary data collections, the collecting data that is already existing in the published book journals and our online portals. These are some environmental factors which have been transmission of the SARS-CoV-19. Temperature, humidity, it is also transmitted through the air, through the insect, and through the surface contact. So before and after, you can see the condition of the earth. So during the COVID-19 lockdown, we can say that the Mother Earth get relaxed. They improved water quality, peaceful wildlife, controlled noise pollution, cleaned up air. We can say that the nature pressed the reset button during the COVID-19 lockdown. Environmental effects of the COVID-19, the global disruptions caused by the COVID-19 have brought about several effects on the environment and climate. Due to the movement restrictions and a significant slowdown of the social and economic activities, air quality has improved in many cities with a reduction in the water pollution in different parts of the world. Besides increased use of the PPE, example face mask, hand glove, etc., their hazardous disposal and generation of a huge amount of the hospital waste has negative impacts on the environment. We can see that during the lockdown, the SARS-CoV-19 has some positive effect and some negative effect. Positive effect, we can see that clean beaches, decline in the air pollution, decline in the nitrogen dioxide concentrations, reductions of the environmental noise level. And the negative effect, we can see the global health, economy, and reductions in the waste recycling. During the coronavirus, we had used the hand washing, mask disinfections, and PPT like globe, face mask, body cover. This have some effects on the component of the ecosystem. During the water pollution, disturbance in the aquatic flora and fauna, increased wastewater, pollution of the lake, river, and ocean, then pollution of the subsurface, then aquifer through the leaching. And this also component effect on the soil pollutions like plastic pollution, pesticide and other chemical pollutions, deteriorated soil quality, effect on the plants. And in air pollution, they have some airborne disinfectants. So there are some environmental changes witnessed in the India during the lockdown period. The concentration of the particulate matter and nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide emission reduced significantly in the lockdown period and forced the curve the novel coronavirus disease outbreak, according to the Central Pollution Control Board analysis of the 115 Indian cities. Data from the Central Pollution Control Board and the Uttar Pradesh Pollution Control Board showed that the Ganga water biochemical oxygen demand has correspondingly fallen, along with the concentration of the total coliform, which is a testament to improve the water quality. Most remarkably, the nationwide lockdown has considerably reduced municipal solid waste generations. In Pune, daily tonnage of the municipal solid waste has fallen by 29%, while Chennai and Nagpur have dropped by 28% and 25% respectively. Even in the cities like Delhi and Mumbai, one can expect a similar drop owing to a shift in the consumer demand and behavioral changes toward the sustainable consumption. This is some proposed strategy for sustainability during the lockdown. Sustainable industrialization, ecological restoration and ecotourism, use of the green and public transport, use of renewable energy, behavioral changes in daily life, international cooperation, water recycling and reuse. This is some proposed strategy for the sustainability of the environment. At conclusion, we can say that the lockdown period minimized environmental pollution, which improved the water and air quality and brought reduction in the noise pollutions due to the shutdown of the industrial process. COVID-19 taught us to improve the healthcare system for future and provide a clue to achieve the 2030 agenda of UN SDGs. The environmental sustainability can be achieved by using the green and clean energy, sustainable industrializations, well-organized waste management system, wastewater treatment, and its reuse. Though the impact of the COVID-19 on the environment are short-term, united and proposed time-oriented effort can strengthen the environmental sustainability and save the earth from the effect of the global climate change. This one we can say that the WMO Secretary General said the COVID-19 pandemic is not a solution for the climate change. However, it does provide us with a platform for more sustained and ambitious climate actions to reduce the emissions to net zero through a complete transformation of our industrial, energy and transport systems. Thank you for giving me opportunity on this platform.